Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 7.1.5 and we're going to view user account information. So your manager wants to verify information regarding the users on this system. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab your task is to view the content of the file that contains the user information, and we are also going to answer the questions that follow. So we just go ahead and start a lab. We're going to wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, in case you find this video helpful, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership where you get detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut labs. So let's go ahead and start up. We open terminal, and in the terminal you type in cat space /etc. Alright, so you press enter and then we answer the question, what is the UID for the show? That's going to be 509. And what is the user's full name? It's going to be Robert Cronin. And what is the home directory path for the root? And it's going to be root. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.